I have 5-year-old Mac Mini with 16GB unified memory, and I'm interested to find what is the fastest way to inference LLM model on this hardware. I search on the internet, people recommend to use Q4 quantization, best balance between size and accuracy, MLX, best for Apple Silicon, and most recommended model for this size was Qwen 3.5, 9 billion parameters. So I tested this popular software. MLX-VLM allows not only to use MLX models, but also use multi-token prediction MTP that allow to run the same model 14 tokens per second, and Ollama was slowest one. However, if I want to use best models what is possible to run, I need to think about memory. So this is my expectation, part of memory used by operating system. Then it will be LLM model. I need some part of memory for context window, for prompt cache. I need some coding agent. I will use Visual Studio Code as large one, and at least one web browser page. In my case, I can only afford to use one of smallest, Q2, and it will fit in 10GB. I selected these 3 models with Q2 quantization, and for all of them I used llama.cpp for more control with command line. Fastest was Qwen 3 coder, 21 tokens per second, but it used most of the memory. So I tested these 3 prompts. One is to create 3D solar system with Klein extension in Visual Studio Code, and 2 prompts, one to create 3D lighthouse and Python script to benchmark LLM. It's one-shot prompt. What is the chance to get successful result? With Python script, Llama 4 was better, but again, this is one-shot prompt. Other models can fix script with more iterations, so my goal was to test if these models are usable or not. This solar system created by Qwen 3 coder with Klein. This one is created by Llama 4, and this one is created by Qwen 3.6. This is Qwen 3 coder lighthouse with seagulls and boats, and this is another successful version with island, lighthouse and seagulls. This is Llama 4 lighthouse 1, this is 2, no colors, and this is version 3. I can only see seagulls. Page works, so I can count it as success. With additional prompts it can be fixed. But this one is more impressive. There are issues with waves, but seagulls looks good, and island with lighthouse looks good. I don't see boats, maybe they somewhere behind waves, but this looks more impressive as a whole result. So from these results, Qwen 3 coder is difficult to recommend because it uses more memory, less left for context window, but Llama 4 and Qwen 3.6 there is enough context window and they can create usable results. Bye!